Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do farm chores. Now for anyone who is new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell for more notifications, and also make sure to give a thumbs up if you like this video, and also make sure you comment on this video if you guys want to see more farm chores. But for right now, let's get started with this video. Now, as you guys can see, we have bags of feed and we have bales of hay. Now, we're going to be putting the bales of hay and the bags of feed into the lawnmower wagon, and I have the lawnmower out so it's ready to go.
I'm going to cut the string.
And Jessica is going to cut the string to the bales of hay.
Here. String was sorry to cut.
Now, I'm going to hand my camera over to the camera person real quick. Okay, I have the bags of feed loaded up in the trailer. Now I'm going to take them over to the horse's barn.
And I'll follow you.
And my camera person will follow me. Okay, now I'm going to go grab a bag of feed. Follow me. Now, as you see, I'm grabbing another bag of feed. Now, doing farm chores when you own farm animals is easy. But it can also be costly. As you can see, I have feed in these buckets from when me and my camera person dumped the can of feed into the buckets. Now, wow. Follow me. Now, I'm going to put these two bags of feed into the empty can. Which is right here, because we basically store 2 bags of feed in there. Now go back for another one. Sometimes it doesn't go in the right way, but it doesn't matter how the lid is shut. Perfect. See, my camera person, Jessica, is loading up the bales of hay. Now I'm gonna give the camera person the camera. Okay. Now, just a reminder, hay can be messy, but it's also nutrition for your horses as well. Well, any farm animal, I should say. Now, we're gonna go take the bales of hay that are in here. We're gonna put it in the hay shed. Okay, here's how much hay we have so far. We're almost halfway done. I'm going to hand the camera over to my camera person real quick. No, give it. Well, we got her loaded up again. We'll let you guys know when we're done to give you guys another glimpse of how hard we worked. Okay guys, we got the rest of the hay stacked in here. I got the lawnmower put away. And I also got the lawnmower trailer stored, put away, whatever you want to call it. Well, that will be it for this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that bell for more notifications for when I post, for when I upload more videos. And also make sure to comment if you guys want to see more farm chore videos. For now, this is Kevin C. signing off. Peace.